There he goes. There he goes. Oh my God. Eat it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. To start this video off, we're going to be trying for some kingfish at the end of the South Jetty. They have been catching a few of them the past few weeks. I haven't been able to get any this year off the jetty, but we want to try for that. And then after that, on the way back, we did see some bull redfish feeding on top of the water. We were able to get some awesome drone footage, and we were able to catch a couple of them. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. If y'all do, as always, be sure to like and subscribe. Something popping out there. I don't know what it is. Something popping though. Something popping. Little skipjack or what? Man, can't reach it. Just a little too far. Huh? I'd be fine with anything right now. They're just a little too far. They're right there. They're literally right in front of us. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Holy. You see them? Yeah. They're right there. Holy. You saw him, right? Look, he's still right there. There he goes, there he goes. Oh my God, that was crazy. Did you see that? He came and ate it. You want to reel it in? Oh, he came off. Damn it, that was crazy though. Do you see him come eating?
Right whenever you were over there.
Oh, look, there's another one out there. There's another one. Get that popper on. Holy cow. They were hitting the top of the water. Yeah. Throw that popper, yeah. Look, hurry, they're still out there. There he goes. He's on it. He's on it. Look at him. He's following it. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Eat it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. That's nuts. And oh, look, there he is. He came up. Oh, look Look, right there.
He's probably a grandpa.
Oh. Oh my God. Wow. Holy cow. Oh my God. I knew it was right. Oh my gosh. He is a fighter. You want to reel it in? You want to reel it in? Reel it in. Here. And I'll throw yours. Or I'll throw a different one. You gotta put pressure, keep pressure on him. Keep pressure. God dang, that was crazy. Oh my God.
He's a heavy one. Where's the thing I
Walk
brought?
this way.
Where's the thing
I'll get the
brought?
grabbers. You just fight the fish. Just hold it like that.
I want to put him in this box.
There you go. Hold it right there. No, it's all right. Yeah,
No, don't get it.
it's all right.
He's heavy. Don't get it.
I got it. It's a big one.
He's huge.
Heavy. Ooh.
Don't get him.
Oh my God, he came up and ate it. That was insane. I know, they were feeding. I think it flew away. No, it's right here. He's big. He's big. Right up to the jetty.
He's so pretty. Right?
Yeah.
Beautiful. He didn't